PTV display is a truly handy gadget. It works like a magic wand and helps you get rid of cables. PTV display DA02 is designed to mirror your PC or smartphone to TV or monitor with no cables. In addition to entertainment purposes, it would not be wrong to say that this is a must-have gadget for presentation givers and other professional purposes. You can also call it a cheap yet effective alternative to Chromecast. I have bought PTV display DA02 from Gearbest for $12, and in today's video I will be sharing its performance and what is good and what does it lack. In the box you will get USB dongle, USB power cable and English manual. This handy gadget uses Wi-Fi to make connection between your PC, smartphone and TV or monitor. The good thing is that it does not require any Wi-Fi antenna. It supports Miracast, Airplay and DLNA. Miracast can be used to connect Android, Windows PC and Windows phones, while Airplay and DLNA option is provided for Mac, iPhone, iPad, iPod, etc. It casts your PC and phone in 1080p resolution. It has a button through which you can switch between Miracast and Airplay DLNA. Before you buy it, please don't forget to confirm does your PC support Miracast or not, as well as don't waste your money if you have an older PC or laptop, as well as check your TV or monitor does it have HDMI port, as well as don't waste your money if you have an older PC or laptop, as well as check your TV or monitor does it have HDMI port. You can't use it for older TV or monitors. Your TV or monitor must have an HDMI port. It needs power. They provide a power cable but no power adapter. I plugged USB power cable into USB port on TV and it turned on without any power adapter. It supports 5 operating systems: Microsoft, Windows, Mac, Android, iOS and Windows Phone. Although it does not require any third-party app or software, but they provide a software for Windows 8 and Windows 10 users. In addition to these facts, it is designed for Windows 8 and Windows 10. It is not for you if you are a Windows 7, Windows Vista or Windows XP user. PTV display does not work on these older Windows editions. I tested it on 2 laptops running Windows 10. I could not connect Dell Inspiron 3537 Celeron, while Gully 15 managed to connect via Windows 10 built-in option Connect. Afterwards, I downloaded a third-party software called Airplay from the product page on Gearbest and installed it. Airplay lets you use Airplay and DLNA option to connect even on Windows, which is used for Mac, iPhone and other Apple devices. I switched to Airplay and DLNA option. I was not expecting that it will succeed, but surprisingly, Airplay managed to connect my Dell laptop to PTV display. But on the other hand, Airplay and DLNA mode disconnected Wi-Fi and I was not able to use the internet. The same thing applies to smartphones. Every phone does not support Miracast, DLNA or Airplay. Check your phone setting and look for an option called cast screen, mirror share, wireless display, etc. Otherwise, don't buy this gadget. It is useless for you. I have an Android phone that does not support. I tried to use apps but I could not connect. My conclusion is it works better for phones than PC. You can connect your smartphone with ease, but when it comes to Windows 10 or Windows 8, you may face problems while connecting and as well as mouse cursor lagging and freezing after connect. You may face blurry, double color or yellow tint issues if you have an older low-end phone. The more high-end system resources your phone has, the more good results you will get. Here is an example. although it supports 1080p, but I recommend to go for 720p. Despite all shortcomings, I think this gadget is a best alternative to Google Chromecast for just $10. I have been using it for a week and it is working fine. No hang or crash so far. I do hope you find this review useful and informative. Please do share your experience if you have used or using it. What you found good and bad in PTV display below in the comment section. Please visit softfinds.com for more info. Please like this video and subscribe to Simple Tutorials and help us make more useful and informative videos. Thank you so much for watching.